What's going on, guys? So as someone who's been making YouTube videos off and on for a pretty good while, I've spent a decent amount of time looking into how I can improve my video quality. While doing that research, I kept coming back to people who said, look, what you've got to do is you have to get either Elgato HD60 or some sort of a capture card, and you have to just get a proper camera, like a DSLR, and run that through this capture card and use that as your camera. So naturally, I did some research looking at some comparisons between a proper webcam versus an actual camera being run through a capture card. And people have posted videos doing that, but for whatever reason, they never really got the point across to me. I could never really tell super well how big of a gain I was really going to get. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a back and forth between a Logitech C922 and my camera, which I use for most of my videos, which is a Sony A6100. And for this video, I've just got the kit lens on there. Usually, I use this this portrait lens, which is a 1.8 aperture lens. But for this video, just for the sake of comparison and just sort of showing you guys what you can expect out of the box, I've just got the kit lens on there just in case you wanted to just replicate the same setup. So right now, this has all been through the Logitech C922. It's fine. You know, honestly, it doesn't look terrible. It looks pretty decent. The color's pretty good. It's fairly wide, and it's right here on my monitor, and it looks pretty good. In case you're wondering, the microphone is just a Blue Yeti. Nothing special. It's not super expensive, but it sounds good and it does the job. So now, like I said, this is the C922. This is my A6100, which is up here on a tripod. So right now, this is just as it is. I haven't zoomed in or anything or zoomed out. This is all the way out. This is how it's going to look. And what I've got set up here is this. I've got the camera on a tripod, and it is running through that HD60 right there. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, honestly, just straight away, the clarity, the colors, everything about it looks considerably better. I'm going to zoom in now and try and get a more one-to-one comparison. All right, so now this is zoomed in a little bit. This is a more one-to-one comparison, a little bit, you know, similar focal length, similar framing. So again, this is the A6100, and this is the C922. Even from movement, autofocus, lighting, I mean, again, the C922 is pretty good, but the A6100 is just better. It's just better. I mean, of course it is. Of course it is. I mean, you're talking about a camera that is $600, $700, $800, depending on where you're getting it, versus a $100 webcam. So hopefully this is informative for you guys. Hopefully somebody out there sees this and has a better feel for what they're going to get if they go this route. Hopefully it's a little bit more clear than some of the videos I've seen, because like I said, I just couldn't find anything that really jumped out at me and said, wow, okay, I can truly see the difference here. So hopefully this comes out right and is helpful for some people. So yeah, until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.